Adventure Park proudly presents the Bird Show! Introducing our host for today, Mr. Akon.
Hello there! A very good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the show. I'm introducing you. Here's our white pigeon over there. His name is Romeo, and these are the guys from California, all the way calling from our San Carnival. You're waiting time, right? Oh, very good. Say that we go in time to fight inside. Okay, let me explain before we start the show. You know, birds have always interested man throughout human history. People marvel at the flights of birds, enjoy viewing their colors and listening to their calls. Today we'd like to show you birds that we have been working for some time. Ladies and gentlemen, to start off with, I gotta go. Here is Mr. Gia with the blue and gold macaw Amigo. Hello, gentlemen. Amigo, would you like to raise the flag on us? Yes, I'll keep on raise the flag. Everybody's waiting for you. Yeah, that's right. He come all the way from South America. Ladies and gentlemen, he's a blue and gold macaw. Yes. What are you thinking about? Any problem? These friends around here? Where is he? Oh. Okay. Yeah, keep on. Yes, keep on. Don't stop. Yes, raise the flag. Yeah. Come on, yeah, do it. You can do it. Not to worry. Ready? Okay, we'll bring up the flags and we're finished. Then we're going to see you. Yeah, you'll see how intelligent you are. Yeah, that's right here. All the way right to the top. Thank you very much. Well done. And that's how you raise the flag, ladies and gentlemen. You know, Amigo, he doesn't like to see any trash lying around. He will get angry. So he wants to keep this place clean. I'm going to show you something. We have a plastic cup over here and a Coca-Cola can. And somebody drink the beer. Okay, the beer can. All right, Amigo, can you show them how you keep this place clean? You pick up the Coca-Cola can, open the bin by himself and drop inside. That's a plastic cup all the way. Yes. Open the bin, yeah, that's right. You can step up and open the bin, yeah, by himself. That's right. Last one can, right into the bin. Thank you very much. Thank you. Well, that's how you keep the place clean. You see, the bird can do. Why can't we do? Am I correct? Yes. Now, ladies and gentlemen, he's gonna welcome everybody. Put up a welcome sign and welcome his fellow friend too. Welcome to the show. And ladies and gentlemen, all the way from South America, please welcome our flying macaws, the seven wonders, the blue and gold macaw. And the last one, ladies and gentlemen, that's the green macaw ringo. Yes, beautiful fly. Then the top on the side, where you go there. Yeah, right, great. Well, the flight is undulating, but certainly graceful, right? Okay. Yeah, guys. Okay, right the other way. Yes. Yeah. I was talking about the language, you know that? Why didn't you fly to that over there? Why didn't you come to them? Yeah, you come over here. Right? Yeah, that's my boy. Okay, there's only one last one. Thank you very much. That goes our flying macaws in Japan. Now, we have another big macaw. Not big, but his friend of Ringo. He's a green-winged macaw, and we call him Jumbo. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Jumbo, our green-winged macaw. Here he is. Well done, yeah. You know, why don't you say hi to everybody? Say hi. Yeah, hi. Yeah. That's how you say hi. You know, because of the beautiful long-tailed feathers, he's gonna turn around and show his tail. Turn around, and around, walk around. Thank you, well done, that's great. You know, you see the colors of their bodies are all on the outside, and they have very less color under his wings. And you're gonna show your wings, so we're gonna ask them to say wings. I need your help. You're gonna say wings. Yeah, one more time. Yeah, show off his wing. Look at that. This is the Jumbo. He's very intelligent. You know, they have, you see the toes over there, they've got two in front and two at the back. And they use this food to lift up and use the third finger that is his beak. He used to pull something and lift up. I believe he can pull that. He can reach that. Use his leg to pull and get the fruits. Okay, this we're going to show you something very special. How can he lift up his plastic bucket? Okay, check it out. I've got the reward system. You're gonna really use the beak and the food. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, you got the reward over there. Yeah. You see our birds, we work with reward system. We gave up the credit for the intelligence. Yeah, something which they do in the wild called natural behavior. Used to pick up things, used to beak, the food and the beak, right? Okay, now Jumbo, you don't believe that. Jumbo go to school. Yeah, here comes the bird school. And we have, wow, we have students here. Okay, we have the animal pictures. Today we have a test for Jumbo, okay? Test about the animal pictures. You're gonna spell this letters according to if you choose, okay? We have horse, tiger, zebra, camel, and snake. Okay, I need you to choose one of the picture. Snake! Why you like snake? I don't like snake. Okay, they choose snake, right? Snake? Alright, okay. Snake, the winner, Mr. Romney. Yes, Iron and Darwin is going back home with the pictures, yeah? So, snake. Well, check it out today. We have a test for Jumbo to get the letter here, and this is Mr. Crazy over here. He's putting all the letters not in order, okay? Well, everything is not in order. So now this is a test for you kids. You go to school, you got an exam, right? So Jumbo have an exam today. Okay, let's check it out. Snake. Jumbo, careful. You got the N. Yes, you got right. And he got the S. He got it right. Yes, 2 letters right. 3 more to go. He got the A. What is the 2? K-E-E. Yeah, E. Okay, there's one more to go. One last one. Careful. No. Yes, got it. You almost mistake, but he knows that. Well, that's great. He got the right answer there as N-A-K-E. Right, snake. Okay. Today he have 2 tests. Okay. The second test is mathematics. Okay, we're gonna give you a mathematics. So I need you to give me some numbers 1 to 9. 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8. Wow. You know the answer? You know the answer? Don't know. I also don't know. 9 plus 8. Jumbo. Can you do that? He kiss you, I kiss you. He ask you for, don't tell him. Exam, you know, test. Yeah. 9 plus 8. You know? He doesn't know. You know, Jumbo goes to the Safari University. Okay. Yes, Jumbo. 9 plus 8. He's looking at you, huh? No, okay. Well, the first number he got 1. And what is the next one, young? Correct. He got it. Well done. He passed the exam. Yes. Thank you very much. Well done, Jumbo. Our great big McCall. Thank you. Well, there goes the test over there in German. Yes. So next, we're gonna need a volunteer. We need a volunteer. We're gonna have a bird fly to you. Just stand where you are. Right the staircase over this side. Yeah. Stand where you are. Okay. Mr. Christian, you're gonna give you some seeds over there. Please do not eat the seeds. It's only parents and employees. Okay. Okay. Just smile. The cameraman is ready. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Please welcome Bunny, our son Connor. Bunny? Yeah, all right, come over here. Yes, you return. Wow, right, landed on your hand, leg. Nice pictures like all the way from California. This is the sun Connor, and sometimes they call sun parrots, right? So beautiful, yellow, red, orange, and a green body. They love to eat seeds and also fruits. Yeah. And once you finish, you're gonna fly back. Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you. All about the next volunteer, please. Next volunteer.
Volunteer Frank.
Yeah, right. Now, lady, you have to stand on the bridge over there first, and we're gonna give you a hat. So you wear the hat over there and pose to the camera. We have two little birds gonna fly and land on your head. Okay? You can use your right hand to hold the head one side on your right hand. Hold, okay? Yeah, because sometimes you move and you there. Just relax, smile, ready. Here comes our two little son gonna ding dong. Yes, beautiful. Nice picture, yeah. Post the camera next time. After the show, you can just collect the photo just behind there, right under the sound room on the side. You can print anytime, any minute, okay? There's a professional photographer here. Okay, they went back home. So, all right, ma'am, would you like to come on the stage, please? Yes. We're going to do something very special today. You're a very, very lucky woman. Okay, what's your name?
Axie.
Axie. Wow. Okay. Do you have the money? 100. Thank you. Now you can go. Because the bird land on your head and we collect the money. Is it okay? Huh? No, I'm just kidding. Okay. We're going to do something very special. Okay. Very simple. All you have to do is just stand over here and use your right hand and put it like this. Hold it like this. Okay? Keep still. I don't hold hard. Just relax. Just relax. Cool. Yeah. Don't be nervous. It's a small bird. Say, it's Sunny's friend. You're gonna come. I mean, Bunny's friend. His name is Sunny. He loves money. Sunny, please come on, you know. It's the lady with 100 peso. Come on up there. Hurry up. Don't waste time. Okay, come on. Come on. 100 peso. 100 peso. Yes, yes, yes. All right. What are you gonna do? Pick up the money and fly back. Thank you. The bunny has flown away. Okay, good. You'd like to try one more time? You have some more? No more. She said no more. Okay, I'm just kidding. We just do some tricks, okay? And he can return the money back to you. Very simple. Spread your arms, open your palms, keep still. You fly, land on your arm, walk over and put the money on your palm, okay? Your head is shaking. Don't worry. Easy. Okay, cool down. Yes, Sonny. Come on. We gotta return the money back to her. Okay, we're not gonna take any money with it. Hey, no. Are you sure? That's an eagle. And he is using a glove. You doesn't have a glove. If you land on your hand, he will eat your piece by piece. Yeah, he's very sharp, tell him. No, you go away. No, I want Sunny. Put your hand, relax first. Relax. Cool down. That's an eagle. No, it's not advised to on the hand. We use glove, okay? So now you. Sunny! Yeah, return the money. No more kidding, okay? Return the money. Yeah, that's my boy. Put it in the palm. Grab the money. Oh, okay. I'll grab for you. Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you. Well done, ladies and gentlemen. For this volunteer, you know. Well, that's how intelligent bird is. You know, birds used to, when they build the nest, they will pick up the sticks and leaves or whatever. This is how we show that you can do the retrieve, okay? So, ladies and gentlemen, from California, we move on to Brazil. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our talker today. Yes. This is Choco Toucan all the way from South America, Brazil, Panama, or whatever. He just come from the deep jungle inside. And look at his handsome over there. He got a little horn. He's got a beautiful beak over there. And this beak is large. And many people think it's heavy. It's not heavy. It's a lightweight. And it's good with catching things with his beak. He used to catch insects and pluck the fruits and toss by time swallowing. Today we're going to show you something very special. And Mr. JR going to toss a small piece of fruits to him, and he's going to catch it. Signal him. Look at it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Jump we go. Right. Good catch. Yeah. That's nice catch. Right? What was that? Okay, come on this side. Yeah, that's right. Wow, look at his natural level there. His diet is mainly fruits and insects. You know, sometimes they go, they try to eat eggs. Yeah, they actually eat eggs, young birds of young one. Okay, that's how they go, and they hop and hop and hop, and right inside, yeah. Thank you very much, Mr. Han. Bye-bye. Well, and gentlemen, we're gonna bring out from Brazil also, and this time is Amazon parrots. Very good in mimicking, to imitate some you can hear around every day. Here comes Jenny with Rudy, and Johnny is with Lonnie. I'm gonna give the mic to them. They're gonna explain to you. You're gonna enjoy the birds talking, okay? So I'm gonna take a cool drink. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Eka. And hello, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon now. I am Jean and
I am Janice.
okay, so we want you to meet again our yellow crown Amazon parrot. So this is Rudy.
And this is Lani.
Yeah, so you know, mimic is to copy sound what they hear every day, right, Miss Jen?
Yes, and yellow crown Amazon parrot is one of the most commonly kept Amazon due to its talking ability and playfulness.
Playfulness. So playful kind sila and talkative. Okay, so Lani and Rudy, what do you say hello to the nice people out there?
Say hello. Hello. Again, say hello. Hello.
Hello.
Say hello.
You know, they knows how to count, right, Miss Jen?
Yes, they know how to count. But before we count,
We need to count first, and then they will just continue the last part. Okay, so let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow.
well, Miss Jean, aside from counting, what else they can mimic?
Oh, well, they can mimic the other sound of an animal, Miss John, just like a rooster, a cat, and a dog. And they can also mimic a telephone ringing.
Wow.
Yeah, so let's do for the rooster first.
Okay.
Okay.
Say,
Cameron.
again.
Wow.
Say,
Wow. So what about the
Where's the
cat?
cat? Again, cat.
Bark, can you bark, Rudy? Bark. He's busy eating pa. So let's wait. Okay, go bark. Bark.
Telephone. Telephone.
Dog. What about the dog? Dog.
Busy guys.
Oh, so we try
And-
one. Okay, so you know, they love singing. Right? Yes, they really love to sing. So,
But before we sing, we need to warm up first.
oh, warm up just like what other singers
Yes.
do. Okay,
So
so let's do it now.
La 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 la.
La 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 la.
Pinahalit ka sa kanta.
So I guess ready na ka sila mo sing. So let's do the first song. Okay.
Whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah.
I love you more than I can. Wow, is that again? Whoa, whoa, yeah. I love you more than I can.
Wow.
Hey, wow. Okay, so they are done to the first song now. So let's proceed to the second song. So before they sing, I would like to ask first, who is celebrating their birthdays today?
Who have a birthday today?
Oh, si Baby Boy!
Who else?
Who else? Okay, si Baby Boy, right? It's
Okay,
great, Baby
Baby
Boy,
Boy.
because Nani and Rudy, we're gonna sing a happy
Happy
birthday
birthday
to
to
you.
you.
Okay, so let's do it. Come on, let's sing happy birthday. Okay, so thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to put a round of applause to our yellow crown Amazon parrot. So, okay, so here's Mr. Aiken. Thank you. Bye.
He's like, Thank you. Well, there goes our Amazon parrot in German.
Paputla lang
You train, okay?
Paputla.
How do you train this bird? You got a young bird, you keep it in the house, so you give him good food. You're happy. You need patience, love.
Be careful, bro.
Here we come. Well, ladies and gentlemen, do you hear them flapping? You cannot hear, right? So it's a silent flap, that's what we're talking about. You know, the owls outside are very sharp and very, very better than human eyes. You can see 8 to 10 times total darkness in the darkness, okay? And secondly, the hearing, it has been proven that some species of owls can hear a grasshopper fly or a mouse squeak from a half mile away. And thirdly, the softer edges on the feathers, which give them this silent fly. That's why we show them. They're not very effective hunters, neither is wise, but good at night, you know. The vision is so good, their diets are mainly of rodents and night rodents are moving out so they can concentrate on the rodents, silent and focusing like barnacles in visions, and that's how they attack the prey, and they swallow the whole thing, and they regurgitate all the fur and bone. That's why they're used to the owls, to do the natural behavior. If you can find it, it's like a parrot when they cough out the next day, you can see able to see that Philippine hawk eagle. And these birds are very, very powerful and very fast in attacking the prey. So today we have a leather lure which you're going to use as a prey. So running here, you're going to use this lure to run, and that's where the hawk eagle will appear from there and chase the lure. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to move this corner over here to make a space for you to see it because I'll be blocking the view. So, okay, and anytime, ready? Yes, yes. Here we go, he's going in the wrong place over here. Sorry, it's raining on this side. Well, he's going the other side, I see him. He's going the wrong way. He's going hiding on this camouflage. He's going to appear now, ladies and gentlemen. Not to worry. Not to worry, just... Yes, he's looking at the lure, yeah. He's up there. Wow, look at this on this side. Not ready for them, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, look like this. He's not watching. He's not. Here he comes! Look there, right here. Yes. Whoa! Crash landing the midst of the perch over there. Okay, not to worry. Here he comes again. Yep. And he got him. Yeah. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. That's how the hawk eagle attacking the prey. He got the lure. He's grasping very strong, powerfully. That you know, it's very difficult to take it out the lure. So what we're going to do is. You cannot take it out like this. You got to exchange the lure for some reward. So Mr. JR will use that meat for him to get it. That's why he's gonna release. He's not really. Okay, got it. Yeah, finally got that lure. And you got to be very careful and using the glove to handle it. In other words, very sharply attack. Okay. If you're not careful, he will grab our trainer's hand. Okay, that you have it, number one. Sorry, the mountain is a eagle owl in German, yes? Yeah, hunter. They come from Cebu. So, ladies and gentlemen, from the guy's shadow. The box over. Here we come. Bingo! Wow. He breaks the balloon. Did he get the balloon? Thank you very much, thank you. It's great. Well, I got a sharp challenge, ladies and gentlemen. That's how he just sometimes he just net. We don't break it, but today he just bright balloon over there. Right?
Frank, sit properly.
Down.
Slide.
Okay, here we go. Alright. Well, finally got that chain to do some reward system. But wait a minute. Hey, where you going? Over there. Yes. Okay, come on, Taylor, don't worry. You just fly over the side. Okay, keep pushing. Yes, right. Finally got it. Gonna take the piece of here, run over there. Okay, right on the glove over there. Thank you very much. Then I will shadow the brownie kite. So next we have another brownie kite, ladies and gentlemen. This time it's a glider, and it's basically with Harry.
Nice going to do this.
Now we make a turn over there, right to the ring, and Mr. Dane coming to the stage. We'll make a turn again, back again. Okay, this time he's gonna land. No, you missed again. All right, back to the ring. Yes, nice. Now we're sure to make a turn over there, down to the stage. Yeah, right here. To David's club over here. Well, you know, brownie kite is commonly found in this region. You can fly very hard, about 3,000 feet, stooping down to attack the spray. You know, there are a lot of new birds you can able to see around in Cebu Safari area. It's a season like the good weather they will fly. If it's cloudy and windy, no one can fly. Okay? So this is a good weather for the birds of prey to fly around. And then we'll start. We're going to find one, fly down to Dili. Ready? All right, down there. Fly down. Everybody make a turn over the side. Yeah. Back again. You want us to do this fly again one more time? Okay. Now once you finish, you're going to fly across above your head, okay? Please do not try to touch it, right? And you go down there. And let's see.
Look, on the turn.
Yes. Bring that all the way down. Marvelous. Thank you very much. There you have it, our brownie kite glider, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, we come to the largest eagle to show you now is the white-bellied seagull, and we call it Marina. Everybody please sit down. It's a big one, okay? And it's the seagull. Got a very powerful talent. The gentleman walking around. So whenever you're ready, sit down, please sit down. Sit down.
Frank.
Yes, sit down. Thank you. Sit down. Oh, you're right. Thank you.
Frank, sit down.
Let's keep rising, ladies and gentlemen. All day, all brown, white belly singer, yeah? Marina. Wow, that's a huge one, ladies and gentlemen. You know the first breed, the females are larger than the male. Okay? So, this is female, Marina. And ladies and gentlemen, we're going to fly down to Miss JB once they're ready. So please do not walk around the stage while the birds fly. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your cooperation. Okay, we're ready? It's looking at the wings, it's going right in. I look forward to his body with him. Depends on the wind blowing, he's not going to fly when the wind is going behind. You look forward with the wind and you just glide over it. Just look at the wind and down to the girl, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. A white-bellied seagull, Marina, the king of the sea. Ladies and gentlemen, we come to the grand finale of our show. From Australia, ladies and gentlemen, our Lorries. And ladies and gentlemen, the symbol of love, peace, prosperity, and harmony, our people. Well, folks, that's the end of the show. Before we then, we're going to introduce our star for that. It's Danny with the masculine dogs over there. There's Jay with African grey gown. Parents and here is Rachel with the Moroccan cockatoo. And Jay with our macaw doing gold call. And the color of the side is Mr. J.R. with a brownie kite. And here is Mr. Ian with our owl. And don't forget, it's Debbie with our white-bellied seagull, Marina. So, I let you guys are the sound man, and well, folks, myself, Akon, that's the end of the show. I hope you have enjoyed. Hope to see you next time. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day in the park. Go. Ladies and gentlemen, we have something very special today. We have a photograph session. Would you like to come on the stage and have a photograph with our birds over there? Okay? This is only a chance today, a very special today. Please come forward to the stage and have a photograph with our birds. And we have a photograph with you, and you can print it out immediately on the spot. Okay? Till then,
You want
goodbye.
to take a picture in there? Pictures with a bird?
You want a picture?